We're about to do a little POV on the expressive mode. Hey, so what's going on, guys? It's Siggy from CCS, back with another video. Today we're just chilling in Melrose right now. We got this 2026 5 Series. We're about to do a little POV. I've been driving this car for the past couple days. I got it washed like 2-3 days ago. So it's a 5 Series with the M Sport package. You're gonna see what's up. This one's more like a cruiser type vibe. It's a comfortable car. You already know, guys. If you like these videos, comment down below which car you want to see next. We're trying to do like a little bit of everything: luxury cars, sports cars, supercars, all that. So yeah, just check out the other videos if you like car content. We're just gonna do a little cruise over here. We're in LA. Like I said, we're on Melrose. Just got some gas right now. And you guys can check out the interior a little bit on this one. We got the two-tone interior, so it's the red guts with like black on the doors and stuff like that. And this car got hella modes, super quiet, super comfortable to drive. Just like an all-around good cruiser, you know. It's like a good daily. It's like super good daily, actually, you know. You got the light up package in outside, got the blacked out package. So yeah, this is hard, honestly. I fuck with this car a lot. So I'm gonna change a little bit of the colors of mode so you guys check it out. This one got the sport mode. We got like the expressive mode. We got the digital art. So I'm gonna like put these. I'm gonna switch these out. Let me know what y'all think though. It got a lot of color options though. Like older BMWs, they only had like a few. They only had like green, orange, blue. But this one, they got hella options. Pretty like customizable. Change everything over here. I don't know, it depends on the vibe I'm on. I be changing it out. I be fucking with the pink. I like the green. Got the blue, the purple. It don't got red, but when you're in sport mode, it goes like blue and red. But yeah, we're just gonna chill it out a little bit, listen to a couple tunes, just cruise it down LA right now. Honestly, it's a chill night. Sunday night, not a lot going on. A little bit of traffic, but it's not that bad. But yeah, cruise around a little bit. I'm gonna play some of my music, see what y'all think. It's a solid car, honestly, all around. Like the handling is crazy, even though it's not like M car, it's a M package, so the suspension changes and like the brakes. They got a little power boost. They got a lot of stuff that you wouldn't expect out of like a non-M car. It has launch control. I'll probably do a little launch control too for you guys, just so you check it out, you know. Obviously it's not crazy fast, but you know, for the engine it has, it's pretty, you know, like if you need to like pass somebody in traffic, it's doing that no problem, pretty quick. Quick little launch control for you guys real quick without being too burnt out over here. So yeah, I mean, it looks cool when it's in sport mode. The seats hug you when it's in sport mode. display changes. We got the panoramic sunroof too, that's cool. There's a lot of traffic right now, but honestly, this car, high speeds, handles crazy. Like, it's surprising how well it handles. Like, it's a heavy car, I'm pretty sure, so you know, it has like upgraded suspension with the M Sport package, so you know, that's cool still, that you can like throw it around a little bit. It's rear-wheel drive too, so you know, you can do donuts in this one, but obviously it's more of a cruiser type car. All right guys, traffic cleared up a little bit. You see that green car, guac something. All right, you guys, you can see background, downtown LA. City looking crazy tonight. I mean, it always does, but it's always a great view. So we gonna throw it in sport again. Activate sport mode. We're gonna put the transmission in sport too. And go a little bit slow here so I can do a little pull for you guys. So I'm gonna press, and now you can see the boost. Alright guys, so we're gonna do one last launch control right here. Well, thank you guys for tuning into the video. Let me know what you think down in the comments below about this whip. Honestly, it's obviously not a sports car, but you know, it's a comfortable car, cool car, nice car. You know, you got space for the friends. It looks nice on the outside, it looks modern, you know. So let me know what you guys think. More videos coming your way. Cali Car Society, subscribe. Our Instagrams are gonna be down below. If you want to see more whips like this, just follow us. And thank you guys for tuning in. I'm gonna show you the car outside. So you can see we got the M on the floor, red calipers, tinted out, light up grille, and this white, it's the pearl white, so it's not a flat white. It has like a flake in it. I love how this car, I love the rims on this car. This car looks sick. I love the tail lights. It has upgraded tail lights, the upgraded front lights, the M Sport rims, M Sport brakes. Just the front of this car, I love the grille. It looks crazy. But thank you guys for tuning into this video. Without further ado, we downtown LA. Buildings look crazy, city looks crazy. But we gonna catch you in the next video, guys. Thank you for tuning in.